A set of molds are aligned with force, and large stirrups are continuously lowered, neatly arranged in pairs. This is a precast concrete part. Concrete is an essential material in infrastructure construction, composed of sand, stone, cement, and a binder solution. Today, we visited a precast concrete product factory to learn more about the production process of concrete water pipes and concrete wall blocks. With the unloading of a truckload of sand, the production officially begins. First, the sand is placed in a bin, where sand and aggregate are sequentially transferred. Gravel is an indispensable main ingredient. As can be seen in the image, the gravel is very uniform in size, making it a high-quality material for sand and gravel. Fine sand is then transferred to the bin as well. Once a certain ratio is reached, it is transferred again and transported to the front for mixing. Back at the factory, workers are spraying a release agent on the molds to facilitate the later disassembly of the concrete parts. The release agent is diluted with water at a ratio of 1:7. Once the surface is thoroughly coated with the release agent, the molds are assembled. The chains stabilize the mold structure and prevent concrete from spilling out. Simply pull down firmly with a steel pipe to secure it firmly. This is a very clever reinforcement method. Next, we'll prepare the stirrups. They may seem out of place, and they'll need some force to change their shape. The main purpose of stirrups is to improve the structural quality and extend the concrete's lifespan many times over. Without steel, the concrete can easily collapse. The finished product will vary depending on the mold. For example, the mold in front of us is used to produce cement pipes. Since cement pipes are hollow, a mold is placed in the center. The center mold is also sprayed with release agent. Compared to the water pipes mentioned earlier, this one is a bit unique. It's U-shaped, so stirrups are only on 3 sides. Next, we move to the pouring process. The molds are mobile, filling one after another. It seems the proportion of gravel is higher than the sand. Is this true that more gravel means stronger concrete? Does anyone know this? The molds move slowly on fully automated tracks, and the pouring speed is very fast. The surface must then be smoothed evenly using a large shovel, a manual process. After smoothing, it must be covered with a tarp to prevent rapid moisture loss. Each completed set is then cured. Curing accelerates the hardening of the concrete and increases its strength. The factory uses steam heating. Steam curing seems to be more common in winter, primarily because it allows the material to reach strength earlier and prevent freezing. Vibration is being performed in the image, which removes excess air. Similar to the principle of a vibrator, it is more efficient. Once all the concrete pieces are completed, batch curing begins. Steam curing is faster than natural curing, taking approximately 13 hours or more. In a blink of an eye, rows of concrete pieces are complete, and the hardening appears to be excellent. Each one is remarkably solid. Preparation for demolding begins. As expected, the addition of release agent allows the molds to fall off more quickly. The various concrete pieces are now complete, though there appears to be some roughness on the surface. They are then arranged in a fixed location for easy transport. This water pipe should last for 8 to 10 years without breaking down. Preparing to disassemble the hollow water pipe mold. Due to its weight, it can only be disassembled by machine. It was easy and smooth, with no clogging at all. In addition to mold release agents, oil can also be used as a release agent, with essentially the same effect. The smooth surface looks very beautiful. Even such a small pipe incorporates steel bars, which shows that a lot of material was used. This pipe is a cement pipe with only 3 stirrups initially. This is an open-air pipe. After all the materials are disassembled, they are ready to be transported to the warehouse for storage. Because concrete pieces are resistant to weather and sun, they are stored outdoors. Each piece appears uniform and neat. This pile of concrete blocks looks more like a wall. The uneven surface on one side resembles a wall. Various types of concrete water pipes are now completed. This is the process of making precast concrete water pipes. Regardless of the size of the material, all are reinforced with stirrups, which not only improves product quality but also increases its lifespan. Every step is meticulous, and every detail is meticulously addressed. A full truck is then loaded and shipped off. What do you think of this pipe?